Hello everyone. Today we will learn about levels of management. In earlier 4 sessions we saw different other topics of chapter 1, nature and significance of management, the introduction, meaning and concept of management, characteristic features of management, objectives of management, importance of management, nature of management, whether it is a science or whether management is an art or whether it is a profession. In this session, we will see different levels of management. We have seen earlier that management deals with a team, a group. So management brings a team, a group made up of different people together in a hierarchy of relationship. Every individual in an organization has his or her task well specified. They have to complete a particular task, and in order to be able to do so, he or she is assigned authority or right to take decisions. This authority-responsibility relationship concerns superiors and subordinates, and this relationship of establishing reporting relationship gives rise to different levels in an organization. Normally, we find 3 different levels in a hierarchy of the organization. It is triangular or pyramidal, wider at the bottom, and as we move up, it gets narrower. So, when we will see the different levels of management, we will talk about the different designations that are there. We will talk about the functions performed by them, and we will also talk about the kind of responsibility that they do have. So, we will begin with top level management. A top level management consists of very senior most executives of an organization like managing director, chief executive officer, chief finance officer, chief operating officer, general managers, etc. We have seen that in a company there is a board of directors. It comprises a team of managers from different functional levels such as production, marketing, finance, accounts and administration, materials, management, human resources, research and development, Vice President Marketing, Vice President Finance. This top management analyzes the business environment and work for the survival and welfare of the organization. They set the vision of the organization, where they are right now, where they want to see after a certain period of time. They set the parameters for the mission. They formulate organizational goals and devise ways and means to execute or implement them. These positions at the top level are very demanding and require a lot of commitment and dedication, and is very stressful as well. Then comes middle level of management. Middle level managers are the link between the top level and the lower level. They are also known as divisional heads, for example, production manager, marketing manager, accounts manager, materials manager, research and development manager, etc. They implement or execute the plans formulated by the top management. They exercise control over the lower level managers and work out procedures and methods, make strategies so that the organizational goals are achieved. In nutshell, they carry out plans formulated by the top level management. They are accountable for their performance to the top management. They interpret organizational policies, provide required resources to the lower level managers. They also assign them duty and lead and motivate them to do organizational goals. They also pass on the various instructions or guidelines or policies of the top management to the lower managers, and they also take up any complaints, grievances or problems being faced by the lower level managers to the top level management. Then comes lower level managers. They are also known as supervisory level or first line managers or operational managers. We see supervisors, foremen, section officers, head clerks, superintendent, etc. All these people lead a team of workers. They oversee the efforts and performance of the workforce. They have limited authority and responsibility. They pass on the instructions from the middle management to workers. They are also responsible for maintaining quality standards. They also work to prevent wastage of resources. They are also required to maintain safety standards. They need hard work and discipline, and they have to maintain a good labor relationship, interpersonal relationships with their workers, as they are the friend, philosopher and guide of the workers. And it takes deliberate effort to win their loyalty. So, there are, as we saw, there are 3 levels of management. They have their specific designations, they have their functions and activities, authority and responsibility.